If your outlet is making a buzzing or crackling noise, it is a sign you need to fix it fast before things get worse. So, first off, make sure you turn off the power to that outlet at the breaker box. Safety first, you know. Then grab a screwdriver and check if any wires are loose inside the outlet. Loose wiring is a major cause of buzzing sounds and can be dangerous. If you spot any loose wires, tighten them up snugly but don't overdo it. Sometimes the outlet itself is worn out or damaged, so swapping it out with a new one can solve the problem. When buying a replacement, pick a good quality outlet rated for your home's electrical load to avoid future issues. Also, avoid overloading the outlet by plugging in too many devices, since that can cause crackling noises and even sparks. If you're not comfortable handling electrical stuff, calling a licensed electrician is always the best move. Trust me, it's better than risking a fire or injury. One of the biggest mistakes people make with buzzing outlets is ignoring the sound altogether, which can lead to electrical fires or damage. To fix that, always treat buzzing as a serious warning and act quickly. Another common issue is trying to fix wiring without shutting off the power first. This can cause shocks or worse. Always flip the breaker before touching anything. Third, using cheap or incompatible replacement outlets often causes more noise and hazards down the line, so invest in reliable products that meet safety standards. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff, making those repairs easy and stress-free. Plus, contractors get connected with homeowners looking for work, so it's a win-win all around.